Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Blake with Boost Portfolio. Today is Monday, August 21st. If you like this video, make sure you check out our website at boostportfolio.com. We're giving away 2-week free trial memberships. Also, make sure you click the subscribe button in the lower right of your screen. It just keeps you up to date with all of our latest content. All right, in this video, we're going to review the major market sectors, and we'll also review some trade ideas for this week. So we're going to get started with the SPY. The SPY pulled up here on a daily chart. This trend line was really the main trend line that all the technicians are looking at, and you can see that we're breaking below this trend line for closing below it for 3 consecutive days. If I was to pull up a moving average, you would see that the 100-day moving average, actually, you know what, let's just go ahead and do that right now so you can see. The 100-day moving average is still holding for S&P 500. You can see that's that red line right here. So came very close to it today. We're bouncing off it, we're holding above it, and you can see some volume coming in. So I would like to see us hold above this 100-day moving average. That will be a key hold for the position traders and swing traders. If we break below this 100-day moving average, that is not a bullish sign. It's not constructive, and we could see some further downside. You can see this MACD is sloping lower. And until we break below this 100-day, I'm still fairly bullish on the overall stock market. I don't think this is a top. I think there is still some upside to continue here. We've had an incredible run. I think it is due for some sort of pullback. 3-5% would be healthy as long as we can hold some of the major moving averages and get them still sloping upwards. That will be a good sign. But for now, the only trade that we have going on is gold, and you'll see why here in a second. We're still long gold. Gold is breaking out of this wedge. You can see we've been in this wedge pretty much for the entire year, just kind of trading in this range. And now we're starting to break out to the upside. The MACD is sloping higher. We're breaking out. Now, if the S&P 500 wants to hold that 100-day moving average and catch a bounce, I do think that we could come back and test this 10-period moving average and even potentially come back within this wedge. If that happens, I'll get out of this trade. I would like to see this move to the upside, break above these highs right here. The high on this candle is 123.31. So above 123.31, I do think we still see some upside in the gold trade. Now, also, technology is looking fairly weak. We don't have any trades going right now with the technology sector. You can see the MACD has been sloping downwards for a couple weeks now. 10 SMA is sloping downward, and we're back below this line in the sand that we had. So we're back below the line in the sand that we had. And once again, 3 red days, closing lower all 3 consecutive days. But you can see this 100-day moving average is still sloping higher. So if you pay attention to the slope of the price average of this 100-day moving average, still sloping higher. So until this starts to roll over, then I will become more bearish on the stock market. But as long as this slopes higher or just stays flat, then I think we're fine if you're a long-term investor. So where can you go right now? What trades can we get into? Well, honestly, I like the cryptocurrency market. I think Ethereum has been trading well, and we've had 3 really good entries on Ethereum. We've had this downtrend, break of the downtrend trade that we had back a couple months ago. Then we had another break of the downtrend trade here, and today we're breaking out of this trading range that we've kind of had this rally, consolidation sideways, moving higher with the MACD getting ready to cross up higher. And if we zoom in, you'll see some volume is picking up. So we're above average volume, breaking above a price trading range that we've been in for 3 weeks, and also moving higher. I do think we could come back and test this 400 area sooner rather than later. So keep an eye on Ethereum. Once again, this 100-day moving average, nice, steady, sloping upward trend. So I like that. And you can see Ethereum came back, tested the 100-day, tested it again here, and now we've rallied. So maybe that could be something that could happen with the SPY. Who knows? But for now, I'm not into any equities. I'm only holding gold. And I added some Ethereum today. So that will just about wrap it up for us, guys. Remember, you don't really want to be trying to pick this bottom here. You don't want to just be the hero and say, oh, I called the bottom and I got a nice rally. Be patient, wait for the setup to set up, and take a high probability trade. Don't take trades that you're trying to call bottoms. All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it this week. Check out the website, boostportfolio.com, 2-week free trial memberships, and I'll see you guys again later this week.